Ethan Couch was driving 70 miles an hour down a 40-mile-per-hour street when he slammed into 4 people and killed them. Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes.
I'm Clarice Tinsley. Right now, he is not going to prison and could end up in a rehab facility in California. Calvert Collins is first on Fox News at 9 with the probation sentence that angered victims' family members. Calvert.
Well, Clarice, the families of the 4 people killed by Ethan Couch had hoped he would get the maximum sentence of 20 years in prison, but he may not get any jail time except for tonight and maybe a few more nights he'll spend here at the Tarrant County Juvenile Detention Center while waiting on a judge to decide on a $1,200 a day treatment facility his father has agreed to pay for. But the victims' families think justice was far from served.
This is just wrong.
Eric Boyles spoke publicly for the first time since losing his wife Holly and daughter Shelby Father's Day weekend.
The facts and the events was difficult, but probably nothing more difficult than today.
Holly and Shelby Boyles stood alongside Burleson Retta Road as youth pastor Brian Jennings helped Brianna Mitchell change a flat tire. Ethan Couch, driving drunk in a pickup truck with 7 other people, slammed into the innocent victims, killing them all. His blood alcohol level was 3 times the legal limit. 2 of his friends were also seriously injured in the crash. In the months that followed, Couch went to Newport Academy in Orange County, California for drug and alcohol rehab, and that's where his attorneys want him sent for the next year.
We applaud Judge Boyd for having the courage to issue the sentence that's going to give Ethan Couch a chance to develop into a productive citizen and try to make amends for his actions.
The defense argued Couch was the product of a dysfunctional and abusive family, parents who condoned drug and alcohol use and never set boundaries. The families of those he killed think Couch got an easier sentence because of his parents' influence.
Money always seems to keep Ethan out of trouble. This was one time I did ask the court that for justice and that for money not to prevail.
Judge Jean Boyd told the court the reason for the probated sentence is she believes Couch can be rehabilitated as long as he's away from his family and given the right treatment.
If he messes up, we'll be right there waiting for him.
Well, now, if Couch violates any terms of his probation, he will likely be resentenced for up to 10 years in prison. But if he'd gotten the maximum, which was 20 years in prison in this case, his attorney said that likely because he was a minor, he would have only spent 2 years or less actually behind bars. Heather.
Right. So, Calvert, let's talk about a timeline here. If he does go to this place in California, when would that pricey treatment begin?
Well, that's what's still uncertain at this point because the judge really wants to look into this treatment facility before she makes a final decision if he'll go there to this Newport Academy or maybe to another facility. His attorneys had asked for him to be put there for a year, costing Ethan's father nearly $500,000, and he would not be allowed to have any contact with his parents for at least 6 months. But there has not been a date yet set for that hearing, so we won't know yet if he'll be going there or somewhere else.
All right, we'll keep watching. Calvert Collins live for us tonight. Thank you.